News coming in from the state of Jharkhand. It is Hemant Soren who's been elected as the leader by the MLAs. Hemant Soren all set to reach Raj Bhavan shortly. He'll now be staking claim to form the government after he won the elections. The oath-taking ceremony in the state of Jharkhand will likely take place on the 28th of November. It is the India bloc that beat the NDA in the Jharkhand election. Soren's oath-taking likely to take place in Ranchi's Muradbid ground.
मुख्यमंत्री जी से ही पूछ लीजिए, बस इतना है कि सबकी बैठक हुई है, अब सरकार बनेगी, नई सरकार बनेगी, सबको शुभकामना देती हूँ। हाँ, वो अभी मुख्यमंत्री जी बताएंगे तुरंत। हाँ, मुख्यमंत्री जी से ही पूछ लीजिए, बस इतना है कि सबकी बैठक हुई है, अब सरकार बनेगी, नई सरकार बनेगी, सबको शुभकामना देती हूँ। हाँ, वो अभी मुख्यमंत्री जी बताएंगे तुरंत। हाँ।
For the JMM and the Congress, it was a very decisive win in the state of Jharkhand. Hemant Soren all set to take oath. In all likelihood, the oath-taking ceremony will take place on the 28th of November. He is all set to reach Raj Bhavan shortly. He will be staking claim to form the government. From what we understand at the moment, the Congress is now lobbying hard for 4 berths in the newly formed government. My colleague Amit Bharadwaj is now joining me on the story. Amit, a very decisive and a clear victory for the opposition, for JMM and for the Congress party in the state of Jharkhand. From what we understand, the oath-taking ceremony likely will take place on the 28th of November.
Right, Aishwarya, an unprecedented victory in Jharkhand of the Jharkhand Mukti Morcha of the Congress Party and India Alliance. And these are the carcades of the MLAs, newly elected MLAs of the India Alliance, who are heading out of the India Alliance meeting, which was just concluded inside the Chief Minister's residence. And what we are given to understand that Hemant Soren is already inside Raj Bhavan right now. He is going to resign as Chief Minister of Jharkhand, and after that he'll be staking claim to form the government. So all these MLAs, the RJD MLAs, the CPI MLAs, Congress MLAs and the Jharkhand Mukti Morcha MLAs, which constitute nearly 56 of the 81 MLAs who have been elected from India Alliance in the Jharkhand Assembly. They were inside Hemant Soren's residence, and the meeting went on in which Hemant Soren was elected as the leader of the House. If you look at things since morning, it has been really active day, actionful day in Jharkhand, in Ranchi. In the morning, you had around 9:30, Congress MLAs met at Congress Bhavan in Ranchi, and after that, 2 line letter resolution was passed that the Congress High Command is going to elect the leader of a CLP. And after that, these Congress MLAs reached here at Hemant Soren's residence, where the India bloc meeting happened, and Hemant Soren has been elected as the leader of the House. Hemant Soren is inside the Raj Bhavan. He's going to resign right now. After that, he'll stake a claim to form the government in Jharkhand. And what we are given to understand, the Congress MLA Anup Singh had told us that 28th of November is the day when, in most likelihood, Hemant Soren will be taking oath as Jharkhand Chief Minister for the 3rd time, 2nd time in row, and more importantly, with such a decisive mandate that has gone in favor of India Alliance. So all these carcades heading towards Governor House right now in Ranchi. Back to you, Aishwarya.
Right, Amit, we have seen the number of seats that they won was 56. The assembly number is 81. A very decisive win. In fact, Hemant Soren also said that this is the true victory of democracy.
Aishwarya, certainly this number is really decisive. I had covered 2019 elections out here as well, and there was very strong anti-incumbency against Raghubar Das government back then, and a arc which was driving Hemant Soren towards popularity. This time around, the kind of campaign that was made by the Bharatiya Janata Party on the issue of Katenge Batenge, the Bangladeshi infiltrator issue, the BJP was hoping that they will be able to dethrone Hemant Soren and Jharkhand Mukti Morcha, oust Jharkhand Mukti Morcha from power and form the government in the state. However, right from the beginning, anyone who was on the ground, someone like me as well who were on the ground, we were feeling that the Bangladeshi infiltrator narrative is not working out for Congress, for the BJP, and it is not going to give the dividends that they are looking for. And the BJP leaders kept on saying, no, this will work out in Santhal at least. But JMM was very confident that they have very strong organization in Santhal Pargana. So
right.
First phase, the main narrative of the BJP not working. Second phase, the Santhal Pargana, there the JMM had strong organizational strength, and that is why
right.
the numbers are reflective of how the campaign of the two parties, two alliances worked out. India Alliance getting 56 on the basis of Hemant Soren's welfare schemes, Maya Yojana, popularity of Kalpana Soren, and
right.
the way they campaigned, be it smaller rallies or the bigger rallies in Jharkhand, that is the mandate is reflection of the kind of two different campaigns that India Alliance and the NDA,
right.
pushed forward in this elections. Back to you.
Thank you, Amit, for giving us all those details. My colleague Amit is standing right outside the place where the crucial meeting took place between the India Alliance partners, and it is all said that it will be Hemant Soren who will be taking oath as the Jharkhand Chief Minister once again. Hemant Soren all set to take the oath as the Jharkhand Chief Minister for the fourth term. From what we understand at the moment, the date likely will be 28th of November. Hemant Soren met with Jharkhand governor and will also now formally be staking a claim to form the government. The Congress now is pushing for 4 cabinet positions in Jharkhand's new government. The demand is based on a 4:1 formula, with the party now citing its 14 newly elected MLAs.
लोकतंत्र के अंदर जो विपक्ष की सशक्त भूमिका है उसको हम निभाएंगे। झारखंड के हितों की रक्षा के लिए हम सकारात्मक सहयोग भी करेंगे, जरूरत पड़ा तो संघर्ष भी करेंगे।
हमारे इंडिविजुअल कैंडिडेट्स ने, पार्टी ने, हमारी नेशनल लीडरशिप ने जो रिक्वायरमेंट से बेहतर टाइम यहां दिया और हमारे इनिशिएटिव्स को बूस्ट करने में मदद किया, मैं समझता हूं कि ये मोर देन सफिशिएंट।
हेमंत सरकार का जितना पिछले 5 वर्षों का मिस गवर्नेंस था, उसको लेकर हम जनता के बीच में गए भी थे और हमारे कहाँ चूक हो गई इसकी तो समीक्षा होगी, लेकिन एक जिम्मेवार विपक्ष के रूप में हम हेमंत सरकार को सभी जो अच्छे कार्य करेंगे उसमें हमारा रचनात्मक सहयोग रहेगा और हम इस सरकार के लिए एक वॉचडॉग बनकर भी काम करेंगे, क्योंकि पिछली बार लगातार घपले घोटाले का आरोप लगा था। तो हम ये सुनिश्चित करने की कोशिश करेंगे कि जनता ने हमें विपक्ष में बैठाया है और एक जिम्मेवार विपक्ष का काम ये भी होता है कि वो ये सुनिश्चित करे कि सरकार में करप्शन नहीं हो और गलत कार्यों पर आवाज उठाए। तो हम एक अच्छी विपक्ष की भूमिका को निर्वाह करने की कोशिश करेंगे, जो हमें भूमिका जनता ने दी है।